Well, thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the morning of September 25th, 2025. Today we've got a cold front working into central Virginia, and that's the main story. As you can see, looking at satellite here, most of the active weather is over the eastern part of the U.S. right now, and we've got a marginal risk of some severe thunderstorms as that cold front works into the area this afternoon. We have really anywhere along and east of I-81 in Virginia's area where we need to be monitoring for severe thunderstorm chances today. And if we take a look, temperatures will probably top out in the low to mid 80s today, and then around 3 to 5 time frame, you're going to have some storms developing right along I-81 there, and then push into central Virginia as we head into the 5 to 7 time frame, and then look to weaken around sunset. That initial line dies out, and then overnight areas near Richmond and eastward towards Norfolk, Virginia Beach look to have some redevelopment of some storms working through the area. Lows tonight will drop off into the mid 60s. And taking a look at the kind of everything that's going on here, here's our cold front working in, and then that's going to push on out. And tomorrow may be a bit drier, definitely some scattered showers around for central Virginia. But you got this cutoff low developing here, that means this is the jet stream up here, but this area of low pressure is just cut off completely from the jet stream, so it's moving really slow. And as you see, as we head on into Friday, later on Friday, and then Saturday, some of these winds are bringing some of the moisture around it here into central Virginia. Friday's temperatures will also top out in the low 80s, I should say, but by Saturday, with all this rain around this cutoff low, we'll be socked in, holding temperatures in the mid 70s for the high. And that's going to last into Saturday and Sunday. Even this area here still is experiencing the cutoff low. And by the time that moves out, the other thing I want to mention here is we got Tropical Storm Humberto out here, and then this coastal low here that could develop into Tropical Storm or Hurricane Imelda, and that's going to be, by the time we get into later on Sunday and into Monday and Tuesday, that's going to be something we're going to need to monitor here. So definitely stay tuned on that. With the cutoff low and that, we could have some flooding concerns as we head on into the weekend and early next week. So it definitely some much needed rainfall and drought relieving rainfall, which is a good thing, but still poses a risk of some flooding. We'll be monitoring that for you. And then here's just a overall look at the National Weather Service. You got Gabrielle way out here, and then Humberto has already developed into a tropical storm. Forecast to become a hurricane over the next few days, and then this is what we're going to monitor to see if it becomes Imelda. So stay tuned. We'll be keeping you up to date. And until then, thanks, and have a great and safe evening.